Good morning, guys! Good morning! Magluluto ako ng good morning pa ba? Yes, 11:30. I will cook talong. Lulutuin ko siya, igigisa ko lang siya. Pero naubusan kami ng onion. Kasi yung onion, niluto ko sa pork chop kahapon. So, naubos na siya. I will just have garlic. Konting garlic. Yeah, garlic, at saka talong, at saka soy sauce. Yun yung recipe. Yun lang. Okay, nandito na yung garlic. Nandyan na yung talong. Ito yung ginamit kong pampukpok ng garlic. Para sa tenderizer ng meat. And yung pan ko is ready na. Meron ng olive oil dyan. Ilalagay ko na yung garlic. And then, yung aking soy sauce. Yung, Marca Piña soy sauce. Okay, let's do this, everybody in the world! Alam ko, hindi ako magaling magluto. Ito naman ay eksperimento lamang. Kasi alam nyo, kagabi, if you watch my previous vlog, kagabi wala akong gana. Kasi I was like, gusto ko kumain ng vegetables. And di naman ako kumakain ng maraming vegetables. Like, hindi ako mahilig talaga sa ganun. Kasi yung ulam namin kagabi, pork chops, diba? So sabi ko, wala akong gana kumain ng pork chop. So, and hindi ako buntis. Kasi baka may magsabi na naman, buntis ka kasi wala kang gana, tapos napapagod ka. Dami kong ganap, you guys, kaya ako napapagod. Hindi ako buntis. Wala lang akong gana kagabi kasi parang nagsawa na ako sa pork chop. Masarap naman siya, pero like, gustong-gusto yun nila. Nagsawa na ako sa pork chop. So, hindi ako kumain ng dinner kagabi. Ewan kung magugustuhan to nila. Niluto ko yung isang buong talong. Kasi, I can have this now, lunch. Tapos mamayang gabi din. Ipapatry ko to kay Dan, pero hindi ko alam kung magugustuhan niya to. I don't think magugustuhan niya to. Wala naman ako yung like common sense sa pagluluto. Kasi again, di naman ako like lumaki na like merong nagluluto sa bahay. Kasi si mama, hindi naman siya nagluluto. And I'm not blaming her. Like, I know, hindi lang siya yung mama sa mundo na hindi nagluluto. But like, it's just not her thing. Busy siya sa kanyang negosyo. Si Papa yung nagluluto. Pero si Papa, nasa bahay lang siya kapag weekends kasi kailangan niya magtrabaho. So, kapag weekends na siya nagluluto. Tapos kapag nagluluto si Papa, story time na talaga ite. Maaga. So, yeah, sobrang aga. Tulog pa kami. Pero na-enjoy ko naman yung pagluluto. Like, kapag nga nagluluto si Papa, ako yung nagda-dice ng mga kung anik-anik. Kasi gusto ko yung ganon. Pero hindi ko talaga magets yung pagluluto. So, like, wala akong common sense sa pagluluto. Yung iba, like, you know, parang nasabi nila, dapat kasi nilagyan ng ganyan. I was like, malay ko ba? Malay ko ba na dapat palang may ganyan? Pero okay lang yan. Lagi niyo naman akong tinutulungan eh. And I'm so glad. So yeah, salamat in advance. Pero ito na yung last time na magluluto ako ng talong dito. Kasi uwi na ako next week. So kapag nag-comment kayo sa ano ko na yan ma-apply sa Pilipinas. Yung rice ko, cooking na. Lapit na siya mag-warm. Actually, gusto ko yung talong kasi vegetable siya. Pero like, hindi siya like, you know, hindi siya dahon. Hahaha. Meron talaga akong ganon. Wait, I feel like I need to add the soy sauce na. Feeling ko mali-mali na to. Okay, that's my talong. It looks really dark on camera, but hindi siya ganyan ka-dark. Please don't judge my talong, you guys. It kind of looks nasty, but it's fine. I tasted it. It's good. So, yeah. Please don't judge my talong. Nalaglag na yung ibang petals. Saan ba to galing? Parang dito ata siya galing. Yeah. Laglag na siya. Ito, may bago na naman. Or bago ba to? Or kahapon pa to? Hala! Ano na siya? Ayan, ako na lang yan. Ganyan. Ang ganda nito. Ang ganda nito pang sa yung parang wedding. Char. Ilalagay mo siya sa tapos lalakad ka dyan. Mas bet ko to kaysa sa red na petals. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng color. Ito, the best. Ito, sobrang ganda pa niya. Hindi pa siya nalalagas. Ooh, I forgot to feed you. Let's feed you. Hello, I was doing a try-on. Tapos dumating si Dan. He brought me this. Thank you. I received a package. And it says, to Dan and Ray's. Is it focusing? I'm not expecting it. I do not know. We do not know where it's from, so let's see. Babe! You're engaged?
Wow, who's that from?
Where's this from?
Shit, they travel fast.
It takes a world of tenderness to gentle and makes them wait.
Who is that?
That's so cute.
Yeah.
I'm about to... Oh, Lorena! Do you remember Lorena? The girl that sent me a package before?
Yeah.
Yeah, she sent me a lot of nail polishes.
Oh, wow.
Oh, this is so sweet.
Thank you.
Yeah, oh, wait, there's a gift. I'm gonna read this later on. Wait, it's like, she said when she saw the video, it's giving her chills.
Oh, God.
So, here's this, a gift. Wait, I'm not expecting this at all. Dan actually saw this at front door when he arrived. So, wait, can I just break this? That's dangerous.
Use scissors.
Hello, babe. What is this? What do you think it is?
I'm not sure.
Hello, Lorena. Thank you. What is it? Oh,
Cool.
that's so sweet. Aww. Thanks. That is so nice. Really nice. It goes with my ring. Thank you. Hello. We're walking.
Don't film me.
What?
Don't film me.
Don't film me. I'm not filming you. I'm filming myself. Nandito kami sa Nord Morialta. Right, babe?
Yeah.
Yes.
No.
No. What is it then?
I don't know. Nord Morialta's a school. This is just Morialta.
Ah, Morialta walk lang daw. Okay. My first week here, you took me here. Right?
Yeah.
And then we saw... What did I see? The animal.
Koala, maybe.
Koala, yeah. First time I saw koala was when we did this walk. Ay, we walked for like, was it 10 minutes? 10 minutes. And then now we're really tired. Pula kami dito. My gosh, we're not fit at all.
I am.
Dang, you're not.
I am.
Napagod pa nga siya nung una kaysa sa akin eh. Look at this. Ay, nakapagod ang Lord. Tingnan nyo yan. Nakakatakot. Look at that. So, lilibot kami. Lilibot kami doon ata. Doon. Hanggang sa dyan.
We got along that path.
Yeah, right.
Go around there. Go back down.
Yeah, tapos balik na kami sa baba. My gosh. Tignan nyo to dito. Maganda. Nalagyan nila ng parang ganito para sa area na to. So you can rest. Tommy. So you can rest here. Do you want to take a picture?
Do you want a picture?
Sure, we can if you want.
Nah.
No? Okay. You look so guapo though. I like your sunnies. Off me, gold digger. You don't even have gold. You're poor. I already have your gold. It's on my finger. Your gold. Ah, it's recording shit, boss. Hello.
Chop
Dito
that.
kami sa cave. Wait. Picture muna kami. Meron siyang cave. Cave na ganap oh. Nice. We took a picture there. Anyway, pabalik na kami sa baba. Doon, sa baba. So, galing kami doon sa bukid. Doon, babe. Okay, let's go. Let's go back. Careful. You guys, may koala. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Wait, unahin ko yung sa pinakamalayo. Yan. Merong dalawa. Baby at saka ano.
Look at it.
Thank you.
Oh.
Is he gonna jump or what?
No, I can't get the lazy.
Aw, that's cute.
That's cool.
He's eating. Looks cute. Pupunta kami sa Vietnamese restaurant. Pagkatapos namin naglakad na gano'n, naligo lang. Tapos, yeah, pupunta na kami sa Vietnamese restaurant. It's 7 right now. Yung Vietnamese restaurant na nasa city, I don't have any makeup on. Naligo ako na I had my contacts on. Pero yeah, that's alright. Gutom na ako. Are you gutom, babe?
Yeah.
Do you know what that is? Hungry. Good boy. What's full?
Big size.
Bugsay? Bugsay? No?
Busog.
Busog. Good job, babe. Good job. What's hungry? Gutom.
Canton.
Gutom?
Canton.
Canton. Canton.
Canton.
Canton. We're here. In order ko, spring rolls, satay chicken, fried rice. Tapos nila yung pho. Pho. Yung lagi yung order. Kasi diba lagi ko yung order dito yung chicken combination rice. Yung maraming merong rice tapos maraming kung anik-anik na kasama. Pero sabi ko, ibahin ko this time. So, yeah. Dito na. Yan yung kay Dan. Ito yung akin, ang laki. Satay chicken, and then yung spring roll. Nakain na namin yung dalawang spring roll. Kain tayo. Yummer. Good morning! Yung day ko, very productive so far. Maaga kami nagising na Dan. Mga 7:30, tapos mga 8:30 umalis si Dan. Mamaya, sabi niya, alas 3 daw niya ako susunduin dito kasi dinner kasi family dinner tonight. And first time nila kami makikita na Dan after engagement. Kasi last time, yung dinner namin was Thursday, tapos we got engaged on Saturday. Tapos we'll have dinner. And yung dinner mamaya is parang merong cake. Kasi yun yung ginagawa ng mama niya kapag may birthday. So, yung closest na dinner sa birthday mo, yun yung ginagawa. And since aalis na ako, ngayon yung last dinner ko with them, for now, is yun, mag-cake daw siya. Tapos, gagawa siya ng something na parang may rice. Kasi, alam niya na gustong-gusto ko yung rice. I'm actually heating up my lunch right now. Ito yung leftover from kahapon, yung may spring roll. Tapos, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. But yeah, I edited one video na. Nakakaloka. Kasi nung pag-edit ko kanina, nag-crash yung Movie Maker ko. So, yeah. Ang dami pa rin nagtatanong ko ano yung editing software ko. I used Live Movie Maker para sa aking vlog. And then, I use Sony Vegas Pro para sa ibang video. Like, kapag meron akong kailangan i-insert na clip, Sony Vegas Pro yung ginagamit ko. Oh my gosh, my gosh. So, ito yung aking lunch today. 11:30 na. So, magla-lunch ako. And then, yeah, I will film a video. I think I will film 3 videos today. You guys, I already organized my makeup. Nakita niyo yung mga makeup organizer na pinakita ko sa inyo, diba? Kung napanood nyo, nakita nyo na yun. But, yeah, nilagay ko na yung ibang makeup ko doon. So, na-organize ko na siya para ma-film ko yung makeup collection. Kasi I need to film the makeup collection before ako umalis. Sneak peek ito. There. Hindi naman siya ganun kadami. Pero meron pa dito sa first na merong mga makeup dyan. Pero, yan, gulo-gulo. I need to ligpit that before I film. Kasi yan yung background ko. But, yeah. Gagawin ko siya soon. I'm not sure if I will film it today, but I will film the intro and the outro of that video today. So, yeah, kain muna ako kasi kailangan ko maligo para maka-film na ako. Hello! Parang yung ko, ilong red. Dito pa rin yung suit. Wow, bright. Dito pa rin yung swatch ng lip tint na sinwatch ko kanina. I did a haul. The lip tint is from Etude House. I think it's like Darling something. Basta lip tint Darling. I forgot. Basta may Darling siya. Tapos, yung tint my brow, nandyan pa rin siya. Gusto ko na yan i-try sa brows ko. I'm not sure kung kailan pa. I'm pretty sure hindi now na nandito ako. Pero, pupunta na kami sa bahay ng mama niya. Dinner time! Pero may pa siya. We will stop somewhere kasi meron siyang appointment somewhere. Tapos, sabi niya, meron daw shops malapit doon sa appointment niya. So, maybe pupunta ako sa shops or magsistay ako dito. Oh, you know what? I need to buy, not that I need to, but I want to buy hair curler. Can we stop by Target? Not now.
Yeah, another day.
Another day. Yeah. The one from Remington, because I like that. And it's not that expensive. Yeah? Sure. Hello! We're home! Silang tumakbo. And pagdating ko, tinanggal ko yung contacts ko, tapos naglagay ako ng mask. Ito yung gelato na mask. And binigyan ako ng card ng ng auntie ni Dawn, kasi nandun siya sa dinner today. And yeah, Tereso and Danny. Hindi ko pa ito nabasa kasi sabi ko, maya na lang pagdating ko. And, you guys, ginamit ko yung perfume na, ginamit ko yung perfume na binigay sa akin ni Kat. Ito, Cherry Blossom from The Body Shop. Sobrang bango, Kati, maganda. Good job. So, ginamit ko siya. Sobrang bango. Dito pa rin. Thank you. Yeah. Tapos, okay. Basahin ko lang. Cute! Ang cute ng card. Merong sing-sing. Wait, tingnan niyo. Look it. Meron siyang sing-sing na meron ding parang box ng sing-sing. Cute! Ang sweet na auntie niya. Yeah. Basahin ko lang tong card. Nabasa ko na yung card. Ang sweet ng auntie niya. Mag-edit lang ako ng video. Si Dan, finilm niya actually kanina yung nag-blow ako ng cake. Kasi nga, diba, nag-cake yung mama niya ngayon. Sobrang daming niluto ng mama niya. Kasi daw, ang dami daw celebration. Like, engagement namin. Tapos, uuwi na ako. Celebrate, uuwi na ako. Like, parang last dinner daw na nandito ako. And yung birthday ko din. So, sabay-sabay na. So, sabi niya, ang dami daw ganap, kaya ang dami niyang niluto. And, yeah, sobrang yummers ng dinner today. And, si Dan, nag-video siya nung blino ko na yung cake, pero hindi pwedeng i-include sa vlog kasi nandun yung mga anak ng kuya niya and ayaw ng asawa ng kuya niya na i-video yung mga anak nila. So, yeah, hindi ko siya mai-include. I'm just gonna keep that for myself. Pero yeah, tinry na Dan na mag-film. Kaya lang nandun yung mga bata. Ayoko naman paalisin yung mga bata kasi gusto nila na sila yung blow ng candle. So, every time talaga na may birthday, lumalapit yung dalawa sa birthday, sa nagbe-birthday para sila yung blow ng candle. Ang cute-cute ng dalawa. So, yeah. Anyway, I will just close the vlog kasi I'm gonna edit tonight. And, yeah, I still have how many videos? 2 videos yung kailangan kong i-film. I have a lot of pre-film na videos, you guys, and mostly hauls. Gusto ko kasi i-film lahat ng hauls dito kasi hindi ko naman madadala lahat sa Pilipinas. Kung madadala ko lang, doon ko i-film. Pero I need to film the haul kasi nga, iiwan ko sila dito. So, ang daming hauls. Yung i-film ko na lang is highlighters review, tapos yung makeup collection. So, I think I'm gonna do that on the weekend kapag may time, which I don't think I will have time. Pero I will do my best. If hindi ko siya magawa sa weekend, gagawin ko siya sa Monday. Yung flower na laglag. Pero, yeah, anyway, bukas ko na lang ipapakita sa inyo. Anyway, that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Bye. Good night.